Okay, clear this shit out. Where's the guy with the helmet? Yeah, there's one more low. Hey. I can't see him. Right, push up on him, guys. Go around the other side. Lazy here. You got a shot on anything? Right, I got you outside. I've got you outside. Yeah, I got him. I've got another one. I'm moving in with you.
Let's go.
Is it clear? That's the one. Is it clear?
Wait. Wait.
Ow.
Is there another wall there? Is there another kill? Another kill? Go with him.
Right, whoever's in this building,
Yeah, there's one, two kills there. Clear it. There's no one in there, I don't think. Go in there. Clear it. Oh, clear. Ref. Good throw, Jez. I'm pushing up to the hourglass. Close. Good, I'm with behind you. Got you covered.
Step back, come down, tower.
There's one more up there. One down the bottom.
Is there one down the bottom as well?
Yeah, there's one in the tower. One on top of the push up on that tower, get in the window! What, down the bottom? One more. Push up to that that barrier there. Yeah. How many headshots do you want to do?
You go far right.
Yeah.
Oh, you should have the angle from there. See him?
No, I don't see him over there. I'm going to push up to this. Up to the wall. Are you ready? Oh, there's a guy right behind it. Right behind this. There's a guy right behind this barrier.
Which one?
Here?
The little square bit? Yeah, I see. Okay, inside there.
He's down. Push up. Right boys, kind of push up. They're tucked into the corner now. They're tucked right back into that corner. Is there anyone in the hut? Go on then. Another one.
Other side of the building.
Back edge of the building. You got a flash? Got a flash? Just throw it to the end. There's two on the other side.
Okay.
That's a hit. Already hit him. Go on then, move up. Moving! Ah, I'm banded. There you go. Move up. Move up there then.
Check the area! Check it out!